Active window, program, unexpectedly loses focus in Windows 7. Something is shifting, stealing, focus from my active window, active program, in my Windows, as I'm currently using it. I have the same problem as described in this question, with a few exceptions. I observed this behavior on, at least, 2 different computers, so this is not a machine-specific. One of mentioned computers has Windows 7 he 64-bit, another has Windows 7 Pro 32-bit, so this problem is not specific to a particular version of Windows or to a particular hardware platform. Sometimes focus is lost for good, have to click on window to continue using it, sometimes it is just shifted to some another background process, and returns after about 2 to 3 seconds. I haven't been installing anything new on any of these computers the past few weeks, except for Windows Update and other automated updates like Chrome Browser Auto Update, and certainly mentioned problems started to happen many days after last install. Current behavior of my computer is really weird and the entire thing become annoying. Examples. I'm selecting some text in Chrome and actually see that selection color changes from blue, selection in an active Windows, to gray, selection in an active window. I'm editing some document in Word, Notepad++ or an email in Gmail in Chrome and edit process either stops for a few seconds, when focus shifts, for is ended permanently, focus lost for good. I have active, updated and working Microsoft Security Essentials and it does not report anything unusual. I had a feeling that it most often occurs in Google Chrome. At first I was so sure that I was nearly ready to accuse some of last updates of this browser. But it turned out that I noticed this unusually often in Chrome, because this is my most often used program. Does anyone have or had similar problems or have any idea what can be causing this or how to fix this?
As M31415 advised me, I took a careful look at what is in my Startup tab of msconfig program, but found nothing unusual. It is now clear that this is 99% caused by some external program, though not noticed before and though I haven't installed anything new recently, not by Windows. This is the most important point for me here. I googled a little bit more and got some advice, namely that I should try to press Alt plus F4 immediately after I notice a steal of a focus. This should exit process that could cause this focus stealth. Then, I may try to use Process Monitor from sysinternals package to trace the process that has just exited. This may give me some idea of what is causing this problem.
I programmed a C# program to monitor fluctuating processes. Here is the code if someone needs to find out what process is causing this problem. Output sample showing process starting, green, and terminating, red.
The focus is probably stolen by a body background task. It opens a window, which steals focus, and it is very quickly closed, but the focus does not return. Lately, Microsoft Office had such a bug. To discover such processes, you can use tools like windowfocus logger, mirror, or a custom C# program similar to Process Monitor. Polished and bug-fixed version of the code provided by Omar Al-Shaker. Also does not require C number 6. Requires Net 3.5 or newer. You can compile it using the C# compiler, sesi.x, that comes with your Net framework installation and run the resulting executable to get a real-time log of processes that start green or end red. Use Ctrl+C to terminate it. To find the compiler, run where /r%vinda%/microsoft.net sesi.x. Pick the one from the latest net version installed, no matter whether 32B or 64B. Save the C# code in program.cs and compile it to program.x.
In my case it was that wormbra.x, Windows error reporting, started again and again. I followed the below solution to stop it from starting automatically, and that solved the problem. Start button and GT, in the search box type Action Center and GT, enter. Click on the arrow next to Maintenance to expand. Under Check for Solutions to Problem Reports, click on Settings. Click on Change Report Settings for all users. Check the radio button next to each time a problem occurs, ask me before checking for solution. OK your way out, by clicking OK.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.